everybody, this video got a Master Lock Pro Series 6321, and there's our key. This lock came to me completely disassembled, all the way down to like no pins or springs in it, and you know, shackle out, actuator out, everything out. So I assembled it up here on video, so you can click that. It's on my other channel, and it'd be cool if you want to subscribe over there as well. So anyway, I'm going to see if we can pick this thing open here, and I'm going to try to pick it and actually pull the shackle open. It's kind of hard to do here, you know, without the key in it, of course, when these spring-loaded shackles want to lock back. But anyway, we're going to see if we can do it here. We will try. Let's try this one. Okay. There's a click on 3, click on 4, 5, 6, back to 1 here, 2, another click on 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're open. So as we shackle out, all right. Good stuff. Let's see if we can get it gutted now. Okay. And Master Lock is a 764 Allen. I just heard my work phone text go off. But yeah, I always tell people if it's important on that phone to call, so get out of the way here. Flip off. Forward. All right, we got key pins. All right, and then when I assembled this, some of the couple of the springs were mangled, so I had to put add some springs to it. So number 1, we have a spool. 2, we got just a regular old standard pin. 3, we got serrated. 4, serrated. 5, serrated. And 6 serrated. And I'm not going to bother dumping the springs here. Doesn't really matter. So we can get a little zoom in on that. So it's just kind of weird. Yeah, the one standard pin here, you don't see that really too often. So I don't know. Anyway, you can check out the video in the corner. Like I said, here it'll be linked in the top right corner of how this lock came to me. And I guess if you haven't subscribed, it'd be cool if you did, and check out that other video on my other channel. And that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.